guys, this is Samya. Welcome back to my channel. So I'm up with a makeup tutorial after a really long time. It's a very basic, simple winged eyeliner and a red lip tutorial for all the parties coming on the way. And without further ado, let's get started. So starting off with clean face, I'm using Plum face mist to prime my face. Next, I'm going with Mom's Co face serum, and this acts like a moisturizer. I know I should have done this step before priming, but I like it that way. I'm skipping foundation in this look and I'm directly gonna go with the concealer, and I'm using Sugar Cosmetics Magic Wand Waterproof Concealer in the shade Breve. So this is exactly as my skin shade. So I'm gonna apply it under my eyes and also on my eyelids and the areas where I have pigmentation, and blending it with a really small brush. To set my face, I'm using Sugar Cosmetics Translucent Powder, and I'm baking my under eyes and the areas where I have used concealer. I'll let this sit on my face for some time, and meanwhile I'll start off with my eyes, and I'm not using any eyeshadow, and I'm making a thick winged eyeliner, and I'm using Lakme Insta liquid eyeliner, and I love this eyeliner and I have been using this since I've started doing my makeup, and it's affordable and I love it. And I'm brushing off all the excess powder using a fluffy brush, and you can see the coverage, it's amazing, and the concealer is waterproof and it lasts more than 8 hours. So next I'm gonna add some mascara, and I'm using Wet n Wild XXL mascara, and this really gives nice length to my eyelashes. And I'm adding lots of blush this time, and I'm using Wet n Wild Color Icon blush, and this has shimmer in it, and I'm gonna apply it on my apple of my cheeks and also on my nose. And I'm using Wet n Wild highlighter in the shade Precious Petal, applying it on the tip of my nose and cheekbone and eyebrow bone. So yeah, I'm blending it really well, and moving on to the completion of the look, I'm using a bold red lipstick because it's Christmas, and you know, a red lip can just turn on the look. So I'm using this Sugar Cosmetics lipstick. I'll be putting the link in the description box. And yeah, this is the final look. It's really simple and it suits almost all the outfits that you're gonna be wearing to the parties. And yeah, if you like this look, please don't forget to share this with your friend, and also like the video, comment down, and don't forget to subscribe. We are so close to 10k, and I'm telling this for the 100th time. So let's just reach before 2020, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.